Good afternoon, I'm Patrick Serrano, and this is the KQBH News Update. After 1 month since California dropped its statewide mask mandate for vaccinated people, the Los Angeles County Department of Public Health is re-implementing a mandate requiring residents to wear masks while indoors, regardless of their vaccination status. The new mandate, which was announced at a virtual briefing Thursday afternoon, will take effect at 11:59 p.m. Saturday night, said officials. LA County Health Officer Dr. Muntu Davis said that the county is, quote, not where we need to be, unquote, in terms of vaccinations against the virus, as evidenced by 7 straight days of new cases numbers that topped 1,000. On Thursday, the county reported 1,537 new infections, the highest number since early March. Reports are noticing more young people, 20 to 40 years of age, becoming infected due to them being more active, not wearing face masks, and proportionally less vaccinated. The University of California announced Thursday that COVID-19 vaccinations will be required for all students, faculty, and others before the fall term begins. The UC colleges are one of the nation's largest public university systems to mandate vaccinations, and they have yet to receive full federal approval for their policy. In a UC memo outlining the mandate, it said, unvaccinated students without approved exemptions will be barred from in-person classes, events, campus facilities, and housing, and that not all of their classes will be offered online. Current real estate agent and former Metro Board member Mel Wilson has announced his candidacy to run for mayor of Los Angeles, which will take place November 8, 2022. Mel Wilson launched his campaign at a Pacoima shopping center anchored by a Food for Less to highlight his work getting the Van Nuys Boulevard Center built 35 years ago, and to address the area's need for grocery stores, in which he called the area a former food desert. Wilson says his priorities are to move unhoused residents into housing, help small businesses as they recover from the COVID-19 pandemic, and grow smart transit and affordable housing corridors. Wilson has also served on the Business Tax Advisory Commission, the Small Business Advisory Commission, and was once president of the United Chamber of Commerce of San Fernando Valley. Mel Wilson's run is joined with 2 other prominent contenders for mayor, such as Long Beach Councilman Joe Buscaino and Los Angeles City Attorney Mike Feuer. Los Angeles' current mayor, Eric Garcetti, is unable to seek re-election due to term limits, and he may vacate his seat before the end of this year if he is confirmed by the U.S. Senate for an ambassadorship to India. If Garcetti's ambassador appointment is confirmed, City Council President Nury Martinez would become an acting mayor until an interim mayor is appointed by the council or a special election is held. UC San Diego School of Global Policy and Strategy released a study last Tuesday finding that low-income neighborhoods with higher Black, Hispanic, and Asian populations experience significantly more urban heat than wealthier and predominantly white neighborhoods in Southern California and other populous U.S. counties. The study measured land surface temperatures of 1,056 U.S. counties, which have 10 or more census districts, and found that communities with higher rates of poverty can be up to 7 degrees Fahrenheit warmer compared to the richest neighborhoods during the summer months. Nearly all of Los Angeles County south of the San Gabriel Mountains showed a temperature of 5 degrees Celsius warmer than the average summer temperature of affluent enclaves such as Malibu, Rancho Palos Verdes, and Beverly Hills. The research team found that more vegetation planted could reduce summer temperatures on average by 1 degree Fahrenheit for 59% of the urban population. Additionally, by adjusting the color of the buildings and roof, along with added vegetation, the temperature could drop by as much as 4.6 degrees Fahrenheit. With these adjustments, heat would reduce by 83% for urban residents and around 27% for the world's population, said the report. This Thursday, July 15th, California lawmakers approved the first state-funded guaranteed income plan in the U.S. $35 million will be used to distribute monthly cash payments towards qualifying pregnant people and young adults who recently left foster care, and they will have no restrictions on how they will spend it. The California Senate voted 36-0, and the Assembly members voted 64-0. While the Department of Social Services will be deciding who will receive payments, the California lawmakers are leaving it up to local officials to determine the size of the monthly payments, which will generally range between $500 to $1,000. This vote comes on the same day in which millions of parents will be receiving their first monthly payments under the temporary expansion of the federal child tax credit. I'm Patrick Serrano for KQBH News 101.5 KQBH LPA Los Angeles, California, a community service of the Boyle Heights Arts Conservatory, available to stream on the LPFM LA app and ednixon.com.